Hey, welcome to Howzer Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to clear profile cache in Telegram on Windows. Cache stores the duplicate temporary files of your Telegram data, videos, pictures, and more, which are later on used to load them faster. But it will also suck up your device memory. That's why today we will learn to delete Telegram cache files. Open Telegram desktop app. Click on the burger menu at the top left corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. The new window will open. Go to Advanced. Go to Data and Storage. Click on Manage Local Storage. Go to Images. Click on Clear. Go to Media Cache. Click on Clear. You can also click on Clear All at the top of the pop-up window. You can also set up size limits for media cache files or set total size limit. You can also set up auto cache removal for files older than chosen period of time. Click OK once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!